If you've been thinking about your ex lately, constantly seeing their name, or feeling this strange pull to check their social media, I need you to understand something. They might actually be manifesting you back into their life, and the signs are way more obvious than you think. In today's video, I'm revealing the 7 unmistakable signs that your ex is actively using their energy, thoughts, and emotions to pull you back, and why this is happening right now. Whether you want them back or not, understanding these signs will help you recognize when someone is directing powerful manifestation energy toward you. And some of these signs will absolutely shock you. Welcome back to Infinite Manifestations, where we explore the hidden energetic dynamics that govern our relationships and connections. I'm here to help you understand the spiritual side of love, manifestation, and human connection. Now, before we dive in, I want you to know that this isn't about whether you should or shouldn't get back with your ex. This is about understanding energy, recognizing spiritual signs, and knowing when someone is directing manifestation power toward you. The universe operates on energy and intention. When someone focuses intensely on you, especially someone you've shared deep emotional connection with, that energy creates ripples in the spiritual realm that you can absolutely feel and recognize. Your ex knows you. They know your energy signature, your emotional patterns, and exactly how to connect with you on a soul level. This makes their manifestation attempts incredibly powerful and noticeable if you know what to look for. So let's dive into these 7 signs, and I want you to pay attention to how many of these you've been experiencing lately. The first and most obvious sign is that you keep thinking about your ex completely out of nowhere. You'll be going about your day, focused on work or other activities, and suddenly they pop into your mind with no trigger, no reason, no external reminder. This isn't just random thoughts. This is their energy reaching out to yours. When someone is actively manifesting you, they're sending concentrated thought energy in your direction. Your mind picks up on this energetic transmission and translates it into sudden, intense thoughts about them. Here's how to recognize the difference. Random memories feel light, fleeting, but manifestation energy feels urgent, intense, almost magnetic. You might find yourself wondering, why am I thinking about them right now? That's because it's not really coming from you, it's coming from them. Pay attention to the timing too. If these thoughts happen consistently, like every few days at similar times, that's often when they're doing their manifestation work. Many people manifest their exes during evening hours or late at night when emotions run deeper. If you've been having these sudden, intense thoughts about your ex lately, that's your first major sign that they're actively working to manifest you back. Sign number 2 is seeing their name constantly, on coffee cups, in books, on television shows, in conversations around you. The universe becomes like a giant billboard showing you their name over and over again. This is what I call name synchronicity manifestation. When someone is thinking about you intensely and consistently, the universe starts reflecting their energy back to you through these repeated name sightings. But here's the deeper spiritual truth. Your ex isn't just thinking about you casually. They're likely saying your name out loud, writing it down, or using manifestation techniques that involve repetition of your name. This creates such a strong energetic frequency that the universe starts showing you their name as confirmation. I've had clients tell me they saw their ex's name 12 times in one day, on street signs, in movies, even on random license plates. This isn't coincidence. This is the universe showing you that someone is actively calling your name in their manifestation practice. The more unusual the name, the more significant this sign becomes. If your ex has a common name like John or Sarah, you need to see it unusually frequently. But if they have a unique name, seeing it even 2 to 3 times in a short period is a strong indicator. Keep a mental note of when and where you see their name. The frequency and timing will tell you how intense their manifestation energy is. The third sign is one of the most powerful, but also the most subtle. You feel their energy or presence around you, even when they're not physically there. This might manifest as feeling like someone is watching you, sensing them in your personal space, or even feeling their emotions as if they were your own. You might suddenly feel sad, nostalgic, or romantic for no apparent reason. These could be their emotions bleeding through to you. Here's the science behind this. We're all connected through what quantum physics calls the quantum field. When two people have shared deep emotional intimacy, they create energetic cords that don't just disappear when the relationship ends. Your ex can activate these cords through focused intention and manifestation. You might feel this as sudden emotional waves that don't match your current mood, feeling like they're thinking about you right now, physical sensations like warmth or tingling when you think about them, dreams where their presence feels incredibly real, or sensing them during meditation or quiet moments. This is especially strong if you're an empath or sensitive person. Your ex knows your energy signature intimately, and they're using that knowledge to reach out to you on an energetic level. Trust these feelings. Your intuition is picking up on real energetic activity directed toward you. Sign number 4 is when mutual friends suddenly start bringing your ex up in conversation, sharing updates about them, or asking about your relationship status. Now, this might seem like normal social dynamics, but there's often a deeper manifestation principle at work. When your ex is manifesting you, they're not just sending energy to you directly, they're also unconsciously influencing the entire social network around both of you. Your ex might be talking about you to mutual friends, which plants seeds in their minds, asking friends about you casually, manifesting opportunities to be mentioned in your presence, or using friends as unconscious messengers to keep them in your awareness. Pay attention to how these conversations feel. Do friends seem unusually interested in your ex lately? Are they sharing positive memories or updates that make your ex look good? This could be your ex's manifestation energy working through your social circle. Also notice if multiple friends bring them up within a short time period. When 3 or 4 different people mention your ex within a week, that's rarely coincidence, that's coordinated energetic influence. The universe often uses other people as messengers when someone is manifesting you. Your friends become unconscious participants in bringing your ex back into your awareness and thoughts. The 5th sign is having vivid, realistic dreams about your ex, especially dreams that feel more like spiritual visits than normal dream content. Dreams are one of the easiest ways for manifestation energy to reach you because your conscious mind isn't filtering or resisting the connection. When your ex is manifesting you, they can connect with your subconscious much more easily while you sleep. These manifestation dreams have specific characteristics. They feel incredibly real and emotionally intense. Your ex appears happy, loving, or wanting to reconnect. The dreams often involve scenarios of getting back together. You wake up with strong emotions or physical sensations, and the dreams repeat or have similar themes multiple times. But here's what's really happening. Your ex might be doing manifestation work right before bed, sending focused intention and emotion toward reconnecting with you. This energy travels to you and manifests as these vivid dreams. In some spiritual traditions, this is called dream manifestation or astral reaching. Your ex is using the dream realm to maintain connection and plant seeds of reconnection in your subconscious mind. Pay special attention to dreams where your ex seems to be trying to tell you something important, where they appear more attractive or appealing than usual, or where the emotional tone is very loving and nostalgic. These aren't just your subconscious processing the relationship. These are often energetic visitations facilitated by their manifestation work. Sign number 6 might sound strange, but it's incredibly common. Technology glitches, malfunctions, or behaves oddly when you're thinking about your ex or right after you've had one of these other signs. This includes your phone randomly playing songs that remind you of them, social media showing you their posts when you haven't interacted in months, getting random notifications or memories featuring them, technology freezing or acting up when you're about to contact someone else, and Your ex accidentally calling or texting you due to pocket dials or wrong messages. Here's the energetic explanation. Intense manifestation energy creates electromagnetic frequencies that can actually interfere with electronic devices. When your ex is sending powerful emotional energy toward you, it can cause these technological synchronicities. But there's also a deeper spiritual principle. The universe will use any means necessary to get messages through to you. If your ex is manifesting you strongly enough, the universe will orchestrate these coincidental technological events to keep them in your awareness. I've had clients whose phones would randomly call their ex, whose music would shuffle to songs about second chances, or whose social media would constantly suggest their ex's profile. This isn't random algorithm behavior. This is manifestation energy influencing the digital realm. Technology is more sensitive to energy than most people realize. When someone is directing intense emotional and mental energy toward you, it creates ripples that electronic devices can pick up and reflect back as these strange coincidences. The seventh and final sign is the most direct. You feel an almost irresistible urge to contact your ex, check their social media, or reach out in some way, and this urge feels urgent, magnetic, almost like you're being pulled toward them. This is the ultimate goal of their manifestation work. They're not just trying to think about you or send you energy, they're trying to compel you to take action and reestablish contact. This urge has specific characteristics that distinguish it from normal missing someone. It feels urgent and almost compulsive. It comes in waves and seems to have its own timing. You find yourself making excuses or reasons to contact them. You feel like something is pushing you to reach out, and the urge is strongest at specific times, often when they're actively manifesting. Here's what's happening energetically. Your ex is doing focused manifestation work designed to create magnetic pull between you. They might be visualizing you reaching out, doing love spells or rituals, or using law of attraction techniques specifically aimed at getting you to contact them. This creates what I call manifestation magnetism, a spiritual force that makes you feel drawn to them in a way that feels bigger than your own will or desire. You might find yourself typing messages you don't send, looking at their contact information repeatedly, or driving past places where you might see them. This isn't weakness or lack of willpower. This is their manifestation energy successfully creating magnetic attraction. The stronger and more frequent these urges become, the more intensive their manifestation work is likely getting. Now, let me explain why exes are particularly powerful at manifesting you back, and why these signs are so strong and noticeable. First, intimate connection creates permanent energetic cords. When you've been physically and emotionally intimate with someone, you create spiritual bonds that never completely disappear. Your ex has direct access to your energy field in ways that strangers simply don't. Second, they know your emotional triggers, your weaknesses, your dreams, and your fears. This gives them incredible precision in their manifestation work. They know exactly what energy to send and how to send it to get the strongest response from you. Third, shared memories create anchor points. Every meaningful experience you had together becomes an energetic portal they can use to reach you. They can focus on specific memories, places, or experiences that trigger emotional responses in you. Fourth, unfinished emotional business creates natural magnetism. If there were unresolved feelings, unexpressed emotions, or incomplete closure, this creates energetic hooks that make manifestation more effective. And finally, they're motivated by loss and regret. The pain of losing you gives their manifestation work intense emotional fuel. Desperation, regret, and longing create incredibly powerful manifestation energy. This is why ex manifestation can feel so overwhelming and why these signs can be so strong. They're not just random people trying to manifest you. They're people who have intimate, energetic access to your emotional and spiritual systems. So now that you recognize these signs, what should you actually do with this information? First, understand that you have a choice. Just because someone is manifesting you doesn't mean you have to respond or reconnect. Recognition gives you power. You can choose to block their energy, redirect it, or respond to it. If you don't want your ex back, set clear energetic boundaries through meditation or prayer. Use protection visualizations to block their manifestation energy. Focus your own manifestation energy on what you do want. Consider doing a spiritual cord-cutting ceremony and redirect their energy back to them with love and release. If you're open to reconnection, pay attention to the timing and intensity of these signs. Trust your intuition about whether this connection serves your highest good. Consider that they might be growing and changing too. Set boundaries about how any reconnection would need to happen, and don't let their manifestation energy override your own judgment. If you're unsure, take time to really examine your own feelings separate from their energy. Consider what has actually changed since your relationship ended. Ask yourself what you truly want, not what you're being energetically pulled toward, and seek guidance from trusted friends or spiritual advisors. Remember, manifestation is powerful, but your free will is always stronger. You get to choose how to respond to this energy and what role, if any, you want your ex to play in your future. So there you have it, the 7 unmistakable signs that your ex is manifesting you back into their life. Remember, recognizing these signs doesn't mean you have to act on them. It just means you're becoming aware of the energetic dynamics at play in your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about manifestation, relationships, and spiritual awareness. And I'm curious, how many of these signs have you been experiencing? Let me know in the comments below. Your experiences help our entire community understand these energetic dynamics better. On Thursday, I'm diving deep into angel number 111 and how to use it for powerful manifestation work. If you've been seeing 111 lately, that video is going to be perfect timing for you. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to choose what energy you allow into your life and what connections you want to nurture. Trust your intuition, honor your boundaries, and always choose what serves your highest good. I'll see you in the next video.